Come on, Dandy man.
That's it. Go ahead, brother. Amen. This letter's on the subject of firearms.
Firearms.
First it says, "Hi, Pastor Jennings.
How are ya?
I must say I love your program
Thank God for that.
and your style of preaching. I live in Kingston, Jamaica, and have a lot of problems with these pastors out here.
I know you do.
I want to ask you, should a pastor have a legal firearm?"
No.
No. Amen.
Now, Pastor Paul says what?
2 Corinthians chapter 10, we'll start at verse 3.
Says what?
For though we walk in the flesh,
Though we walk in the flesh,
we do not war after the
we
flesh.
do not war after the flesh.
For the weapons of
The
our
what?
the weapons.
The what?
The weapons.
The what?
The weapons.
A gun is a weapon.
That's right.
And the Apostle Paul says,
For the weapons of our warfare are not carnal.
a gun is a carnal weapon.
That's right. That's right. For the weapons of our
Weapons
warfare
of our, the weapons that we have in this fight.
are not carnal.
We don't use carnal instruments, but guns and 38s and knives and all. No.
That's right. Not carnal.
But what is it?
But mighty through God.
That's what we got.
That's right.
That's what we got.
But mighty through God.
My God, that stuff is so strong. How does it work?
Pulling down of
It
strongholds.
pulled down. You say, listen. You may take a gun and make that person get their hands off of it.
Right.
But you can't take a gun and get the devil off of it.
No, you can't. No.
Huh?
No.
See, while the person lets you go physically, but the devil still got you spiritually.
That's right. That's right.
Hey!
Amen.
Glory to God.
For the weapons of our
The
warfare
weapon of our warfare
are
is
not
not carnal.
but mighty through God.
And what does he do?
To the pulling down of
Pull
strongholds.
down the stronghold.
Casting down imagination.
This is very important because many of you blind leaders of the blind who don't understand Armageddon, you actually think the way to perform already to get ready for Armageddon is get your followers packing a bunch of artillery.
That's right.
Many blind religious leaders got their followers packing guns,
That's right.
38s, buying surplus military hardware.
Yeah.
Word of God plainly says,
For the weapons of our warfare are not carnal,
not carnal.
but mighty through God.
My God, you need the Spirit of God to break down that carnal mind.
That's right. That's right.
Because you're constantly at war with yourself.
Amen.
Brother Paul said, I see another law in my members.
Right.
Warring against the law of my mind.
That's right.
Do you hear?
For the weapons of our warfare are not carnal,
Not carnal.
but mighty through God.
How does it work?
To the pulling down of
Pull
strongholds.
down strongholds.
Casting down imagination.
Casting down imagination.
And every high
And
thing
every high thing
that exalteth itself
that built itself up. See,
against the knowledge of God.
that's what happened. These fellas get all little degrees behind your little belt, and now you want to exalt yourself and challenge God's knowledge.
That's right.
That's why we've been telling you for years. Seminary school don't make preachers.
No.
Theology ain't never made a preacher.
Amen.
It takes God to make a preacher.
That's right.
So don't be impressed with no man because he's called doctor.
That's right.
You find a lot of preachers always address one another. Hey, doctor, what's wrong with being called brother?
That's right.
As good as being called doctor, you can't perform biblical surgery.
Amen.
Huh?
Amen.
You gotta cut the scriptures right.
Oh, yes.
It's called rightly dividing the word of truth.
That's right.
Glory to God. What is it?
Casting down imagination
And every high thing.
that exalteth itself against the knowledge of God.
What is it?
And bringing into captivity every thought
Every thought.
to the obedience of Christ.
So you know, it is not justifiable for no preacher to carry a gun.
No.
Not under the armrest of his car, not in the glove compartment of his car. And he gonna use it as a weapon. I gotta protect my family. Then when you kill someone, now you broke another law.
That's right.
Thou shalt not kill.
That's right.
Well, Pastor Dennis, what's wrong if I got a gun and go hunting? Well, be sure you're hunting.
Right.
That's right.
Nimrod was a hunter.
That's right.
Wasn't it?
That's right.
Yes, Nimrod was a hunter.
Amen.
And so be sure that you're hunting to eat,
That's right.
not hunting some man or some woman that done wronged you.
That's true. That's right.
You listen to the old man.
Amen.